Animals possess incredibly diverse and complex bodies that allow them to survive, adapt, and thrive in almost every environment on Earth, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, and understanding how their bodies work reveals the remarkable creativity of nature. Every animal body begins at the microscopic level with cells, which group together to form tissues, and those tissues combine to create organs such as the heart, brain, lungs, stomach, and kidneys, all of which work in harmony within organ systems to keep the organism alive. The external features of animals vary greatly. Mammals typically have fur or hair to regulate body temperature, birds are covered with feathers that help them fly and stay warm, fish possess scales that protect them in water, and reptiles have tough, dry skin that prevents water loss. These external structures also include specialized eyes adapted to daylight or darkness, ears that detect subtle sounds, noses that sense smells, legs shaped for running, climbing, or digging, wings designed for flying or gliding, and tails used for balance, communication, or movement. Inside the body, the digestive system breaks down food and absorbs nutrients. Herbivores like cows have long, complex stomachs to handle plant fibers, while carnivores such as lions have shorter digestive tracts built for meat. The respiratory system enables breathing. Mammals and birds rely on lungs, while fish use gills to extract oxygen from water, and insects breathe through tiny openings called spiracles. The circulatory system transports oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Mammals and birds possess a 4-chambered heart for efficient blood flow, while amphibians have a 3-chambered heart. The nervous system, with the brain as its control center, processes information from the senses and coordinates movement, communication, and reaction to danger. Reproductive systems also differ among species. Mammals give birth to live young and produce milk, while birds, reptiles, and most fish reproduce by laying eggs. Many animals exhibit extraordinary adaptations that allow them to survive in extreme environments. Camels have humps that store fat and long legs that protect them from desert heat. Polar bears possess thick fur and layers of fat to withstand freezing temperatures. Frogs and salamanders can live both in water and on land. Bats use echolocation to navigate in darkness. Dolphins communicate with high-frequency clicks, and insects like ants work together in complex social systems. Some animals have bodies designed for speed, such as cheetahs with flexible spines and long limbs, while others, like turtles, are built for protection with their hard shells. The coloration of animal bodies also plays an important role. Many species use camouflage to hide from predators, while others display bright colors to warn enemies of their toxicity. Animals also rely on their sensory systems for survival. Eagles have exceptional vision that allows them to spot prey from great distances. Dogs possess a powerful sense of smell. Snakes can detect heat from warm-blooded animals, and sharks can sense electrical signals produced by mussels. Movement is another key aspect of animal bodies. Fish have streamlined shapes to swim quickly, frogs have strong hind legs for jumping, monkeys have flexible limbs for climbing trees, and birds have hollow bones and powerful chest muscles for flight. Social animals like wolves, elephants, and bees use body language, vocal sounds, or chemical signals to communicate with members of the group, showing how the body is also important for social behavior. Even tiny animals such as ants or spiders have incredibly efficient bodies. Ants can carry many times their body weight, and spiders can produce silk stronger than steel relative to its size. In ecosystems, every type of animal body plays a specific role. Predators keep populations balanced, herbivores help plants grow by spreading seeds, and decomposers like insects and worms recycle nutrients into the soil. The incredible design of animal bodies shows how life has evolved over millions of years through adaptation and natural selection. Whether it is the powerful muscles of a tiger, the delicate wings of a butterfly, the smooth skin of a dolphin, the armored plates of a crocodile, or the tiny beating heart of a hummingbird, each animal body is perfectly suited to its lifestyle, environment, and survival needs. This remarkable diversity reminds us that animals are not only essential to the natural world but are also fascinating examples of how shape, structure, and function come together to create life in its most beautiful and complex forms.